This video is going to walk you through the process of connecting a Sparrow MIDI controller to a Windows 11 PC. The initial connection from your MIDI controller to your computer can either be done to one of the available ports on your computer or a powered USB hub. Today we're going to be connecting it directly to our computer. So to get started, we'll use the supplied cable, plug it into the computer, and connect it through the port on the back of the controller. So next, in Windows 11, you won't have any pop-ups that indicate that anything has been connected just yet. So we'll use a MIDI monitor application like MIDIView to go ahead and make sure that the connection has been made. We can skip through the first screen, and then now we can see here, this will give you a full list of MIDI controllers that are connected to your computer. So we'll go ahead and make sure that the Sparrow 4x100 is connected. And then now, as I move the faders, you'll see a steady stream of data coming from the controller to the computer. So with the first fader, we see 127 to 0 as we go up and down. Again, 127 at the top, 0 at the bottom, all sending on channel 16. And it'll be the same as you move the other faders, just indicating that you have a good connection and all of your faders are sending data as expected. One thing to note on a Windows PC is that only one application can use a MIDI output at any given time. So to give you an example of this, I'm going to open up MIDI aux. And we can see here, with the Sparrow 4x100 trying to activate through MIDI aux, we get this error message talking about there's not enough memory. That's because only one connection can be made. So if we hit OK here, exit out of the application, we can still see that in MIDIView, everything works just fine. Now if we close MIDIView and open up MIDI aux, under MIDI devices, we have the 4x100 here, which has been selected here in this port map objects. Selecting it removes it and then adds it back. We can see that the input is open, and then now we see that same stream of data, just in slightly different configuration here in hex instead of just in numbers. And then if we tried to open MIDIView, we get a very similar error stating that we can't have that controller connected to both applications. So keep this in mind whenever you're using your DAWs or any other applications that may use MIDI. There are multiple tools out there that will allow you to split the signal coming out of your controller, but that will be covered in another video.